Welcome dear students, welcome to Chemistry Fundamentals. We are dealing with the preparation of haloarene. What are haloarene? We said that haloarenes are those compound which contains aromatic ring and halo group are directly attached to the ring. Fluorobenzene, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene are the example of these haloarenes, also termed as aryl halide. Now, one of the very important method of preparation of haloarene is from benzene diazonium chloride. Haloarene can be prepared using benzene diazonium chloride. Two very important method utilized are Sandmeyer's reaction and Gattermann's reaction. Now, as we have already done, I've discussed in the previous video that in Sandmeyer's reaction, this benzene nitrogen is called as azo, 2 nitrogen is called as diazo, positive charge is Em, then there is chloride, so benzene diazonium, benzene, nitrogen is azo, 2 nitrogen is diazo, positive is Em, so benzene diazonium chloride. So this benzene diazonium chloride is converted into chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. When it is done, when this benzene diazonium chloride is converted into haloarene by using salt of copper, then it is termed as Sandmeyer's reaction. I discussed previously. And when it is done using copper metal, then it is termed as Gattermann's reaction. Sandmeyer's reaction when salt of copper is used, Gattermann's reaction when the copper metal is used. But remember, through these two methods, Sandmeyer's and Gattermann's reaction, we can only produce chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, but we cannot prepare fluorobenzene. Fluorobenzene cannot be prepared by any of the two methods. None of these two, neither using Sandmeyer's nor Gattermann. Then how fluorobenzene can be prepared? So remember, fluorobenzene can be prepared using a very important reaction called as Balch-Simmons reaction. So let us discuss this Balch-Simmons reaction. So we are discussing this Balch-Simmons reaction. Now this reaction is utilized to prepare fluorobenzene from benzene diazonium chloride. Method utilized to prepare fluorobenzene from benzene diazonium chloride. Remember, in this method, the benzene diazonium chloride is made to react with NaBF4 or HBF4. NaBF4 or HBF4, sodium tetrafluoroborate or hydrogen tetrafluoroborate. As the result, this Na from here and Cl from here, or H from here, Cl from here, goes in form of either NaCl or HCl depending upon the reagent used. And this BF4 comes to the molecule and hence it results in formation of benzene ring with N triple bond N having positive charge, benzene ring N triple bond N having positive charge, and this BF4 1 minus get attacked. So it results in formation of benzene, nitrogen is called as azo, 2 nitrogen is called as diazo, so this having positive charge, so this is benzene diazonium, this is tetrafluoroborate, BF4. So this benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate, benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate is the compound formed, which when strongly heated decompose. When it is strongly heated, it decomposes. As the result, this F comes on the ring. Converting it into fluorobenzene. This N2 goes in form of nitrogen gas, and this BF3 is left over, which is released. So BF3 is released, nitrogen is released, this F comes on the ring, converting into fluorobenzene. So this method of converting benzene diazonium chloride into fluorobenzene using either NaBF4 or HBF4 is termed as Balch-Simmons reaction. This is the only reaction through which we can prepare fluorobenzene. the only reaction through which fluorobenzene can be prepared.